Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jen Elise. Thanks for stopping by. Today, if you haven't guessed, we're gonna be doing some eyes again. You know I love it. So I went ahead and did the rest of my makeup off camera. If anyone wants to know what I did or what products or makeup I used to get this look thus far, as you know, it will be down in the description box, but let's get right to it. So, you guys know I love Colourpop. So of course we're gonna be doing another Colourpop palette. We're gonna be doing the California Love palette. I love this palette. Like, I literally love this palette. Look at how pretty, you guys. It's so pretty. So pretty. I did swatch the colors for you, so you can kind of see what they look like. Super pretty, like warm, like definitely good for fall. Like, this is one of my favorite palettes. And I'm excited to do a look with it today. Let's talk about like this packaging, like the palm trees. I know it's messy, I used it a lot. So, oh, it's just so cute. I love it. Well, let's just dig right in, shall we? Okay, so I'm actually a California girl, born and raised, lived in Southern California, Orange County, my entire life up until about a year ago when we moved to Orlando, Florida for my husband's job, just temporarily. So this palette speaks to me, like I can relate California vibes, like I'm all about it. So I'm really excited. Let's just get right to it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Gnarly right here for a transition. You know, we'll lay down some color, get going. It's nice. It's more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be, because in the pan it's kind of light, but it's laying down nicely. Just a nice shade. I like it. You know, it's funny, like being from California, I don't think I don't really use Gnarly. It's funny, I don't know. People do, don't get me wrong. People in California use Gnarly all the time, especially like in like the beach communities, but I just never really used that. But, you know, that's okay. I'm just gonna do the same thing with the other eye, obviously. I took it up a little bit higher because I think I'm gonna be layering a bunch of different colors. And it's light enough that it's not like, it's not gonna be crazy. Oh. All right. So that is the shade Gnarly. Nice transition. Next up, I'm gonna go with the shade Laguna. Right here. Pretty. I used to drive through Laguna every single day to go to work, so I know Laguna very well. Tap it off. We don't want that fallout, because it is a little bit darker. What's pretty? So I'm just gonna like stamp that in the corner. I'm gonna bring it up to the crease because I do wanna layer it on top of that Gnarly. I'm gonna be layering a few colors. And I'm gonna bring it all the way in. Why not, just all the way. So yeah, if you know California, you know Laguna Canyon Road or the 133. We used to live like right off of there, like right where it begins kind of. So I used to just take the 133 or Laguna Canyon Road all the way down through Laguna to go to work every day. We lived about like 15 minutes from the water. It was so nice. I miss California. But hopefully we're going back soon. Sooner rather than later. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty? Yeah. Do the same thing with the other eye. I guess, like, you know, living here in Orlando now, it's not too much of a culture shock, you could say, because, you know, it's really sunny. It's hot. You got the palm trees, so it wasn't like a crazy like culture shock, like moving somewhere where it's like snowing or, you know. It definitely, obviously it's humid here. You don't really get the dryness. I prefer dry heat, to be honest. I don't like walking outside and just being like drenched in like wetness, but it hasn't been that bad. It does remind me of home. Like, I mean, I still get my Disney fix. Like, so I'm a happy girl. I can still go to Disney. I'm sure you can see I have my Betsy Johnson Disney designer ears right there on display. Super excited about those. I love Betsy Johnson. Oh, this color. This is really pretty, you guys. I'm liking this. So I think next I'm gonna go in with Gold Rush. Gold Rush right here. Take another little brush. I'm gonna kind of just be doing the same thing again. It's not like that much of a difference. It's not that. I'm gonna go in with a darker color after this. But we're gonna just stamp that in the outer V. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit, because why not? Why not? Just add some more warmthness, geez, to that corner. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Not bringing it in too much, just I'm liking it so far. Do the same thing with the other eye. So I wanted to like be able to make like a joke about you know, like something along the lines of, you know, you can take the girl out of Orange County, but you can't take the Orange County out of the girl, or something. I wanted to be able to do that. Do you know what county Orlando's in, you guys? Orange. I kid you not. I still live in Orange County. You can't even take the girl out of Orange County, apparently. Like, what are the freaking chances? I just traded like the West Coast OC for the East Coast OC, I guess. So I'm still an Orange County girl. That's funny. Ooh, I'm just like loving this. It's just adding some warmth. Because that Gold Rush is like it's got a little bit of sparkle in it. Not like sparkle, but it's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take an even smaller brush, and I'm gonna go in with Highway 1, right here. Also known as PCH to me, you know. I call it Pacific Coast Highway. I used to drive that. After going through Laguna, I'd take PCH all the way up to my work, and we're literally like across PCH, and like the water was right there. It was so nice. So nice. So since this is like the darkest shade I'm going to be using, I'm just gonna stamp that in the corner, in the outer V. Just gonna deepen up that outer V even more. Don't want to like take it up too high because I don't want to like mess with what we've got going on already. That's pretty. It's looking nice. Because you know I'm going to use some sort of sparkle on the lid. I'm all about it right now. Do the same thing with this eye. Just outer V. Adding that depth. I think that's looking good. Can you see it on camera? Yeah. Blending's looking nice. I like it. I like it. Moving on. So, I think I'm gonna do Kahuna right here on the lid. It would help if I had my MAC Fix Plus already ready to go. I wasn't prepared, I'm sorry, but I know that I'm going to spritz my brush with that because I feel like the sparkly shades, MAC Fix Plus, you just get better pigmentation with them when they're like a little damp. So Kahuna going on the lid, like kind of like, because I want to put another color on the interior corner. So I'm going to do it like in the middle because I don't want to go into that Highway 1 color. I'll blend it out after, but ooh, that's pretty. I know, like, I get really excited about colors. And like when they like look, oh, it's looking pretty. That is looking pretty. I'm just like stamping that on the lid. You could totally go in and like carve that out with like concealer and do like a cut crease action, but I have not mastered that yet, so I'm not even gonna attempt it because this works still. I mean, this works just as well, I think. I'm just not really good at that technique. This is pretty. It's really pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other eye. Maybe give it a little spritz again. Not too much, just a little spritz. Okay. It's really pretty. It's like really warm. So like this is totally good for fall. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. That is good so far. I'm gonna take the same brush that I used for Highway 1 and I'm gonna kind of like blend those two together just so it's not like a harsh line. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Just a little, just blend it. All right, I'm gonna take a smaller brush. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Diego for some nice like goldiness in the Kahuna. I may spritz this. Yeah. We'll just see how that goes, see if that works. Ooh, yeah. Just kind of like pack that in the interior corner into the Kahuna. It's just nice. It's just a nice like gold. I like it. I like it. Looking good so far. Do the same thing with the other eye. Pretty. All right, that's looking good so far. I kind of want to do like another shimmery, sparkly color. This color Surfrider right here. I really like that. It's kind of like a nice, like brownie shimmer. I think I'm gonna pack that on top of the Highway 1 in the interior corner, or in the outer V, excuse me, just to add some more shimmer. Oh yeah. Oh, I like it. We're doing like all shimmeriness and it's going like gold to like dark. Just to add a little something, something, you know how we do. It's just nice. Okay, I am liking the way this turned out. Now, obviously we need to go in underneath with, I'm gonna kind of mix Highway 1 and Gold Rush. Just kind of on a little brush and just blend that underneath, smoke that out, add a little something. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. It is a little messy. I had a little bit of fallout, but I'm gonna clean that up for the final look, guys. Oh, this is pretty, yeah. It's pretty. Yes, it's messy. I'm gonna clean it up. I promise. Okay, so I kind of want to take one more color. I'm in love with this Sequoia color right here. It's so pretty. I think I want to put that in front of that Highway 1 and Gold Rush mix and just kind of blend that in there with them. Ooh, yeah. Add some more warmthness. Ooh, I like it. Ooh, yeah. I love that color. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I like it. And then I'm actually gonna take Diego again and put that little gold sparkly shimmer that we have in the interior corner on the interior corner underneath. Just to complete the look, you know what I mean? Just, it gives it that done look when you have like that little sparkle like in the interior corner, and then it goes down underneath and blends in nicely to that sequoia color, because they're kind of like both like a goldy-ish. My goodness. Okay, so I like this a lot. Obviously, we are not finished yet. I'm gonna throw on, do I wanna do liner? Maybe, I'll figure it out. I'm gonna do liner, lashes, lips, finished look off camera, and then yeah, I'll be back with the finished look. Okay, don't go anywhere. All right guys, we are back with the finished look. I just did some liner, lashes, lips, and this is what you get. Like, it's so pretty, guys. Like, I'm loving this look. California Love Colourpop palette. Super, super pretty. Super pretty, guys. Like, you can totally wear this going into fall. Not only am I getting like fall vibes, I'm totally getting the California vibes. I love it. It is one of my favorite palettes from Colourpop. I wear it a lot. Yeah, it's so pretty. The shades are so pretty. I will mention, so I was kind of messy and I had some fallout, and I just took like a fluffy brush with nothing on it and just kind of like dusted the, you know, the lower shadows, and it just like came right off. Like, I don't know if that's just me and I lucked out, or if that's like something to do with the Colourpop shadows, but like I've never had a problem like dusting off like the Colourpop shadows if I have fallout. It's like, you know, when like you dust it off and then it like streaks and it's like you have already done all your makeup and you're like, oh my God, it's ruined. But like, I just literally took a brush and just went like and it was done. No, nothing, no streaks, no, it's perfect. So yeah, I just went in with a fluffy brush, obviously. If I could speak, that would be awesome. And just like, you know, blended everything out again, and yeah, I like it. I love it. That wraps up this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And if you want to see more videos like this, the everyday glam look, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. And thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Cheers.